Well, hello everybody. My name is Schae Lewis. I am the co-founder of Mission to Organize, and all month our team has been talking to you on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, our blog about designing closets. So while this is not exactly related to designing closets, it is regarding closets. So hopefully you find it helpful. And it's something that I find like a lot of people have trouble with, so hopefully it's helpful to you too. So, hanger number one, we're gonna start like super simple and go from there. So, wire hangers. Now, I know my mom took me to see Mommy Dearest when I was young. It was traumatizing, but anyway. And so a lot of people don't like to use wire hangers. Personally, I do. So here's the reason why. I live in an old apartment with very narrow, like shallow closets. So like a regular hanger, I just can't fit it in there. So these are nice and tiny, and plus, I have to admit it, I have a lot of clothes. So this allows them to go really close together so that I can fit everything. So an example of something that you would want to put on that is a t-shirt, something with like a neck that, you know, is not very open. This slides in super easy, slides out super easy, but it's not going to fall off. So this is my Bear shirt, by the way. Go Bears! Okay. So the second hanger is like one step beyond that. So you get it at the dry cleaner, right? It's a wire hanger, but it has this little foam on it so that your clothes don't fall off. And that is for clothes that have like a more open neck, or they're like silky and shiny and smooth. And guess what? They're going to fall off of this other hanger, and you're going to have a bunch of clothes at the bottom of your closet. So make sure that you're choosing the right hanger. This is why we're talking about this today, because it is actually really important for the organization of your closet. So this is an example, wide neck shirt, and if I didn't have it here, it would probably fall off inside of my closet, and we don't want that. Okay, so the next step beyond that is another grippy hanger. You'll find these all over at the different stores, online. You can get them everywhere. And they have a nice grip to them. So again, anything that has like wider and you don't want it to fall off, use this one. These are probably the ones that we recommend the most. And they're pretty thin, as you can see. And so you can fit a lot of stuff in your closet nonetheless. Love those. I do have one closet in my house where I can fit those. It's my dress closet. So okay, so next step up is going to be this hanger. And this is just like a plastic, simple hanger, but it's good for things that are a little bit heavier. I use these a lot for sweatshirts, hoodies. You can see I put my like dress jackets on this kind of a hanger. So we like these. They're not super sturdy for like coats. Like if you want to, you know, put like a winter coat or something, you want to get something sturdier than this guy. Like a wood hanger. Those are amazing. A little pricey. I try to put everything on this if I can. All right. Next step. Ooh, these. I love these with the little notches. Can you see that? So this is for mostly the ladies. I rarely ever use this in our guy clients' closets. So it fits your little strappy dress like this one that I have on. And it fits it right in there, and it's not going to fall off. Also works really well for tank tops. So you can see some dresses that I have hung here. And look at that. Boom. Never going to fall off. So awesome, right? And then if they had those little, you know, things here, you can strap them into here. But I put double up, and I put two on one hanger, and it totally works fine. I love it. Love those hangers. Ladies, make sure you have some of these. You'll thank me later. Okay, so this, of course, is a pant and skirt hanger. It has the little clips. And This is best for skirts. That's the majority of the time we use them for skirts. Of course, you want to always attach these to the waistband or like the seam at the bottom, because there is a chance that you can get like little dents and stuff in your clothing. So you don't want to have them like mid-pant and then you have these dents and everyone's like, what are those dents? Well, it's from this. So yeah, use it on your waistband mostly. And you can also use them for pants. We've seen this a lot for gentlemen's closets, where gentlemen want to hang. They have a long hang area, of course, no dresses. Might as well hang the pants, right? Like this, front and all the way down. Super handy. Now, a combo of the last two is this one. So it has notches, it has like the shirt hanger part, but it also has the clippies. So this one is good if you have a set, like a top and a bottom set. You'll want to use this guy. Matching sets, suits, yeah, things like that. You could also use it if you have like a strappy jumper or something and you have like a scarf that you always wear with that jumper. You can attach it with these clippies. Bonus tip for you. And then last but not least, this is the one I was talking about for coats. And super wood, super sturdy, never gonna fall off or break. So this is a heavy winter coat, and you just gotta do the wood hanger for that. So hopefully that was just like the basics of hangers, but hopefully you understand the importance of that, choosing the right hanger, and hopefully this makes your job a little bit easier. Stay tuned with us. Check your inboxes because our newsletter just went out today and all of the new stuff is in there, including the blog posts and the new video. So we hope you can check it out, and happy closeting to everybody out there, and happy Pride Month. Bye.